Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find your friends and add them on the Duolingo app. So this will work with any mobile device, whether an iPhone, Android, it's going to be the same process throughout. So first of all, you're going to start off on the home page right here, but what you're going to want to do is look to the bottom of the page where that little icon is in the middle with a little woman. You want to click on that. And it's going to bring up your profile. It should be locked onto achievements first of all, but you're going to want to click on friends right next to that there. It should say if you haven't got any friends, if you're all alone, etc. But what you're going to want to do, it'll say add to the right hand side there. You're going to want to click on that. You can invite friends, find friends on Facebook potentially if you want to. Most of you will probably like searching for friends like with a username, whatever. So you can type in, if they have their username like that there. So you type it in that search bar, click search. And then you'll be able to see their username there. And all you have to do, if you want to add them as a friend, is click follow. Follow basically means friend on this. So once you've done that, you can go back and then you'll be able to see that person has appeared there. And then also if you want to like unfriend them or unfollow them, you want to click on there and you want to click the following button, just click it again, and then you'll see that they have been unfollowed, then you won't see them anymore. So hopefully that covered everything. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos on the Duolingo app and others like it. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.